What if your next drone wasn't just smarter, but shared its brain with another? DJI's latest leaks just dropped, and we're diving into the details of two exciting upcoming drones, the DJI Neo 2 and the DJI Avata 3. Totally different on paper, one's beginner-friendly, the other built for pros. But both promise immersive FPV flying and might even share the same goggles and controllers. So which one fits your flight style? We're breaking down the leaks, the rumors, and what it all could mean for your next drone choice. Let's get into it. Let's start with what you'll actually be holding. The original Neo was palm-sized, with full prop guards and surprisingly sharp 4K footage, despite sounding like a mosquito on steroids. The Neo 2 looks to fix that with a foldable design, like the DJI Mini series. That means better portability and quieter, more aerodynamic props, less noise, smoother flights. Now, contrast that with the Avata 3. This drone isn't hiding from anyone. Rugged, ducted, and built for aggressive indoor freestyle, it's made to take hits and keep flying. Think of the Neo 2 as your stealthy scout and the Avata 3 as your armored brawler. This is where your creative vision comes into play. The Neo 2 is rumored to pack a 1x1.3-inch sensor, a big upgrade from the original's smaller chip, offering smoother footage, better detail, and improved low-light performance. Expect 4K at up to 100 frames per second, crisp 48-megapixel stills, and a wide 155-degree field of view. For casual creators capturing trips, moments, or social content, the Neo 2's camera is more than enough to impress. The Avata 3, meanwhile, may feature a 1-inch CMOS sensor, on par with premium drones. That means better dynamic range, stronger low-light capabilities, and potential for RAW video. If you're aiming for cinematic quality or pro-level content, the Avata 3 is built to deliver. This is where the difference between these two becomes genuinely pronounced. Smaller drones tend to shake a lot. The original Neo had a basic single-axis gimbal and relied heavily on electronic image stabilization, EIS. It was okay for slow pans, but visibly struggled with fast moves or tight turns, often resulting in noticeable bumps or wobbles. The Neo 2 is expected to improve on this, possibly adding a 2-axis gimbal and enhanced EIS that would make it far more viable for casual flights and light follow shots. The Avata 3, however, is in a different league entirely. Reports suggest it might feature a hybrid stabilization system, seamlessly blending mechanical gimbal stabilization with real-time electronic correction. That means it can handle flips, dives, and aggressive tracking shots while still delivering buttery smooth footage with minimal post-editing. If you've ever spent hours editing shaky FPV clips, you know exactly how big a deal that is. The Avata 3 is built to be a smooth operator, even when you're flying like a freestyle king. This one's easy to overlook, but it matters. The Neo 2 is rumored to push flight time to around 24 minutes. That's a major jump from the original's 18 minutes and impressive for such a small drone. It means more time in the air, less time swapping batteries. The Avata 3 might break the 30-minute barrier, which is excellent for an FPV drone in manual mode. That extra time means fewer battery swaps and more flexibility when capturing extended sequences or flying in remote areas. Both drones will likely support DJI's motion controller and new Goggles 3, an immersive setup where tilting your hand steers the drone, but the experience will vary. The Neo 2 may focus on beginner-friendly features like auto modes, quick shots, palm takeoff, subject tracking, and basic obstacle sensing, great for casual flying. The Avata 3, however, is built for manual FPV. Expect faster response, lower latency, and enhanced video transmission, likely via O4. Rumors point to full 360-degree obstacle avoidance using cameras and sensors, ideal for aggressive freestyle flying with pro-level safety and control. So, let's talk about the damage to the wallet. The Neo 2 is expected to land around $600 to $700, an enticing option for those curious about FPV without breaking the bank. The Avata 3, on the other hand, could cost $1,300 to $1,400, not including goggles or a controller. But you're paying for raw recording, a larger sensor, hybrid stabilization, and top-tier durability. It's too early to crown a winner, neither drone is out yet, and real-world performance will tell the full story. That said, if you're new to FPV and want something fun, portable and affordable, the Neo 2 is a smart entry point. But if you're chasing cinematic footage and pro-level performance, the Avata 3 might be worth every penny. Which future FPV marvel are you eyeing? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more drone intel, and hit that notification bell.